In this information age, the incredible technologies that we depend on every day present us with both great promise and great peril. Our digital networks are critical to our national security, our military superiority, and public safety. But that dependence also makes us vulnerable from those who would do us harm.
How do we prepare ourselves to defend America's cyber infrastructure? The Air Force Association created CyberPatriot, the National High School Cyber Defense Competition, to address this critical issue.
Cybersecurity is an acknowledged national issue for us, and Air Force Association is in the business of national security. We spend a lot of time looking at the different issues that relate to the protection of our country, to the kind of things that we need that we can help with. And this is one where the association can play a real big role to solve this dilemma.
After its successful proof of concept, first run in February 2009, CyberPatriot deployed nationally in February 2010. This was made possible by a committed team of partners from government, industry, and academia. CIAS from the University of Texas at San Antonio built an online library of training materials readily adapted to any students entering skill level. SAIC transformed their patent-pending cyber defense trainer to interact simultaneously with hundreds of users across the web. The essential elements for CyberPatriot II were in place. The CyberPatriot II competition attracted student teams from high school Civil Air Patrol and Air Force Junior ROTC units in more than 44 states. Teams train and qualify online for the final competition in Orlando, where they will go head-to-head, vying to achieve the most effective defense of a computer network under attack. Each team competes using the same system and scenario, taking on administrative and security duties for a network and encounter the same attack scenario. Professionals run the attacks, and teams are scored on their ability to detect threats and respond, patch holes, and keep network services up and running. The experience is high pressure.
I had the opportunity to be the judge for CyberPatriot I and to spend 2 days on the competition floor with these 8 high school teams as they took ownership of a network and then fought to defend it against a series of very realistic and very challenging attacks. The intensity of the students as they engaged in that process was both impressive and exciting. And that's why CyberPatriot is such a success. That's why we see it growing so rapidly over the next several years.
20,000 reached through CyberPatriot I and CyberPatriot II, which are frankly just proof of concept demos so that we could learn about how to go forward and make things better. Ready now to begin our activity for CyberPatriot III to achieve the kind of numbers we must have to keep our country safe as we go forward.
To learn more about CyberPatriot, please visit www.afa.org or call 1-800-727-3337.